Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to Avery's Activities. Today we are going to be making a spyglass. So I made one right here out of a foam cup, but any cup will do. So all you need is a cup, some scissors, and a piece of paper. That's all you need. And also you need some coloring crayons or any pencil, any kind of stuff that will color. So that's all the stuff that we have. So let me set you back down. Go. Okie dokie. So I'm gonna get started. So first you want to take your scissors and your cup, and you're going, if you have like a little curved edge on your cup right there, you are going to cut that off. And it's okay if you get a little bit off the cup, like on the cup like that, it's okay. It doesn't matter. It does not have to be perfect. And if you're new to the video, welcome to Avery's Activities. And also, please hit the subscribe button if you have not. And also ring that bell, ding ding. Okay, let me cut out. And also, you need, if you have this little edge right here, you're gonna cut that off on the bottom of your cup. Okay. Let me. There we go. Oops. Okay, and you'll have this little. There we go. Now we have that, and then take your paper and cut it into a strip of paper. Any size will do. And if it's too small, we can just cut the cup a little bit. And if it's too big, we can just, if it's too big, we can just cut the paper. So we're gonna wrap it around here. Okay. We're gonna wrap it around here, but since I don't have any tape at my house, we are going to go get some glue dots. Glue dots are just like little dots that are really sticky that can hold things together. So I gotta go upstairs and get my glue dots. Okie dokie. I know it's dark up here, so you probably can't see me, but I'm still here. Where are they? Let me find them. Oh my god. Let me turn on the lights. There, now you can probably see me. Okay, let's see if I can find them. Let's see here. Mama, do you know where the glue dots are?
I think they're white.
Okay, never mind, guys. So, if you have tape, you can use tape and wrap it around your cup. Sorry, we don't have anything to stick our stuff together. So, you just wrap around it, and I'll show, let me set you down. So this is what you're gonna do, set your cup in the middle of the paper and wrap it around, just like that. And then and that's how you're gonna do it. And then you can get anything and color this. Now I'm start coloring with a black mark, crayon, and then, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm coloring. Okay, just set it on the table. Okie dokie, there's what I drew. It's nothing, and this is how it will turn out. I made one at school today. I stay after school, so I can make this, and I had to look up. So that's how it will look like when you're finished. And bye, guys! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell.